Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add stroke to image in Premiere Pro. It's quite easy. So this is my project and I wanna add stroke to this image. So for that, firstly we need to add this image to the timeline. So just drag and drop the image. I would love to put this image till the end of the video like this. Then select the image, go to effects control and you can just scale the image, but make sure that the edges of the image should be visible so that you can see the stroke which we're gonna apply. Once you do that, now we're gonna verify that if the essential graphics panel is enabled or not. So for that, just go to window and just right here you will see that this is the option for enabling essential graphics. In my case it is already turned on. If it is not in your case, you just need to enable this first. Once you enable that, you just need to select the image again, select this rectangle tool and just draw the rectangle over to the image. As soon as you draw the rectangle, you're gonna see these options in the essential graphics. So just right here we need to uncheck the fill option and just check stroke option. You can just choose the color of your stroke. I would love to choose white, but it is up to you. Whichever color you like, you can just choose that. I'll proceed with white. Click on OK, and here you can just increase the stroke like this. Once you're happy with the stroke, you just need to stretch this graphics till the end of the image like this. Highlight the graphic and image, hit right click, click on the option nest, click on OK. Now at this point stroke and image is merged, so you can do any changes you like to the image. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can add stroke to image. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.